Most touring bikes feel like a dream on the open road, but they can turn into a nightmare in a gravel parking lot or your own driveway. If you're tired of the chain maintenance but also done wrestling with an 800-pound beast, this list is for you. Today, we're counting down 7 shaft-drive motorcycles that give you the ultimate reliability without the back-breaking weight. Number 7. The Honda NT 700V, the Deauville. Often called the Swiss Army knife of motorcycles, the NT 700V is a hidden gem for riders who value practicality. And let's be honest, at this stage, practicality isn't boring. It's genius. This bike comes with integrated panniers that blend seamlessly into the design, so you don't feel like you strapped luggage onto a motorcycle as an afterthought. Add in a full fairing that punches way above its weight class, and you've got serious wind protection that keeps fatigue low, even on longer highway stretches. At roughly 560 pounds wet, it isn't exactly what you'd call lightweight, but here's the clever part. Honda engineered the weight to sit low. That means slow-speed handling feels surprisingly manageable. U-turns, parking lots, tight city corners, this bike doesn't fight you. Instead, it works with you. And for senior riders, that confidence at low speed is worth its weight in gold. All 560 pounds of it. The 680 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is one of those quiet heroes. It's not trying to win races or impress your neighbor. It's built to last forever. Smooth, predictable, and forgiving, it delivers power in a way that feels reassuring, not intimidating. And paired with the shaft drive, you can forget about chain maintenance entirely. No lubing, no adjusting, just ride. Honestly, it's the kind of setup that says, go enjoy your day, I've got the rest covered. Comfort is where the Deauville really earns its reputation. The upright riding position takes pressure off your wrists and back, while the seat is supportive enough for long hours without constant shifting. The adjustable windscreen helps tailor airflow to your liking, whether you want more breeze or a calm pocket of air. It's the kind of bike that understands your body might not be 30 anymore, but your passion for riding absolutely is. And here's the charm. The NT 700V doesn't demand attention. It earns respect. It's not flashy, it's not loud, and it won't turn every head at the cafe. But it will start every time, carry everything you need, and get you home comfortably without drama. For riders over 70 who value reliability, ease of use, and stress-free touring, this bike isn't just smart, it's almost like it was designed with you in mind. The BMW 650 CS, the Scarver, is a unique entry that many riders overlook because of its unconventional styling. And let's be honest, it doesn't exactly scream classic BMW cool at first glance. But spend a little time with it, and you start to realize this bike was quietly engineered with real-world comfort and practicality in mind, especially for riders who value ease over ego. For the rider concerned about weight, its 417-pound wet weight is almost impossible to beat in the no-chain category, making it feel far less intimidating when maneuvering in a garage or parking lot. Technically, this uses a high-durability belt drive rather than a shaft, but it delivers the same maintenance-free experience your audience is asking for. No messy chain lube, no constant adjustments, and no crouching down wondering when the last time you cleaned it was. It's clean, quiet, and wonderfully low effort. For senior riders, that's not just convenience, that's freedom from the kind of maintenance that starts to feel like a chore instead of a hobby. What really makes the Scarver stand out is its clever design, especially the famous stuff bay. Where a fuel tank would normally sit, BMW placed a recessed storage compartment that can hold a bag, or even your helmet. It lowers the center of gravity in a way you can actually feel when riding, giving the bike a planted, confidence-inspiring stability. And let's be honest, having built-in storage right where you need it feels like something every rider wishes they had years ago. The single-cylinder Rotax engine is simple, durable, and delivers a smooth, predictable power band, strong enough for highway cruising without ever feeling overwhelming. It's also narrow and easy to straddle, which makes a big difference for riders who prefer a lower seat height and better footing at stops. And if you're worried about being able to pick a bike up solo, this is likely one of the easiest bikes on this entire list. It's the kind of motorcycle that doesn't try to impress your neighbors, but quietly makes your riding life a whole lot easier. Number 5. Moto Guzzi 5, 73/Moto Guzzi 5, 7/850. The Moto Guzzi 5 7 Series brings classic Italian soul to the table without the typical heavy metal baggage. At approximately 460 pounds, it's one of the lightest true shaft-drive motorcycles ever produced. And that alone is a big win for riders who don't feel like wrestling a heavyweight every time they pull it out of the garage. The updated V7 850 version also adds a bit more muscle, bumping up the horsepower while still keeping that relaxed, easygoing personality intact. Think of it as a bike that matured gracefully, kinda like you. The transverse V-twin engine doesn't just look cool, it makes the bike incredibly easy to service. The cylinders are right there in front of you, sticking out like they're saying, "Go ahead, take a look." You don't have to be a contortionist or schedule a chiropractor appointment just to check your valves or spark plugs. And that signature side-to-side shake when you blip the throttle at a stop? That's not a flaw, that's personality. It's Moto Guzzi reminding you this machine is alive. Riding a V7 is about character and simplicity. There are no complex menus to navigate, no endless rider modes to scroll through, and best of all, no chain to clean or grease. Shaft drive means less maintenance and more riding, which is exactly how it should be. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it incredibly confidence-inspiring, especially for riders who value control over chaos. It's the kind of bike that doesn't pressure you to ride fast, it just invites you to enjoy the ride. The seat height is approachable, and the bike is remarkably slim between the knees, making it easy to plant your feet at stops, something that becomes more important with every passing year, whether we admit it or not. The ergonomics are neutral and comfortable for longer rides, and the suspension is forgiving enough for real-world roads. For a rider who wants a forever bike that looks like a classic but handles like a modern lightweight, this is a top-tier choice. It's not trying to impress your neighbors. It's built to keep you smiling mile after mile. If you appreciate honest motorcycle reviews, hit like. And if you're tired of hype and want real-world experience, subscribe. Stick around, because the next bike on this list might just surprise you. At number 4, Yamaha V-Star 650 custom cruisers often get a bad rap for being heavy, but the V-Star 650 custom breaks that mold by coming in under 515 pounds. It offers that classic long and low look without the massive physical effort required by its bigger brothers. Powered by a smooth 649 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin, it delivers predictable, friendly torque. No surprises, no sudden jerks, just the kind of steady pull that feels reassuring, especially when you're no longer interested in impressing anyone at a stoplight. The seat height is a standout feature at just 27.4 inches. For a rider over 70, being able to plant both feet firmly on the pavement provides a level of confidence that heavy touring bikes simply can't match. And let's be honest, these days stability at a red light matters a lot more than shaving half a second off your 0 to 60 time. The riding position is relaxed, with forward controls and wide handlebars that don't force your back or shoulders into awkward angles after an hour on the road. Its shaft drive is tucked away cleanly, ensuring you never have to worry about chain slack or grime on your rear wheel. It's a set-it-and-forget-it system that has been proven over decades of production. Add to that Yamaha's well-earned reputation for reliability, and you've got a bike that starts when you ask it to. No drama, no negotiation, no maybe tomorrow. It's the mechanical equivalent of a good old friend who always shows up on time. While it's not a high-speed interstate muncher, it is a perfect backroads and breakfast machine. It's easy to pull out of the garage, easy to lean over, and most importantly, easy to live with every single day. This is the kind of motorcycle that doesn't demand anything from you. It simply invites you to ride. And honestly, at this stage, that's exactly what most riders are looking for. Less wrestling, more enjoying. Number 3. BMW R850ER. The BMW R850R is the smaller, more manageable sibling of the famous R1100 and R1200 series. And sometimes smaller really does mean smarter. It features the same telelever front suspension that dives less under braking, giving you that planted, confidence-inspiring feel every time you gently squeeze the lever instead of grabbing it like you used to in your 20s. Built in the late 90s and early 2000s, this bike quietly earned a reputation for being one of BMW's most underrated gems, especially for riders who value comfort and control over outright speed. At about 520 pounds, it sheds significant weight compared to the RT or GS models, and you feel that the moment you roll it off the stand, no wrestling match required. You still get the iconic boxer engine, delivering a smooth, torquey ride that doesn't demand high revs to shine, along with the legendary BMW shaft drive, which means less time fussing with chains and more time actually riding. And let's be honest, at this stage, low maintenance sounds a lot more appealing than high performance. The 850R strikes that sweet balance where the bike responds when you ask, but never insists. The R850R is prized for its smoothness. The smaller displacement means less vibration through the handlebars, which is a massive plus for riders dealing with arthritis or general hand fatigue. It's the kind of bike that lets you ride longer without your hands filing a formal complaint afterward. Ergonomically, it's a standard motorcycle in the best sense. Natural reach to the bars, neutral foot peg position, and a seat that supports you rather than locking you into one position. Add to that its understated, timeless design, and you've got a machine that doesn't try too hard because it doesn't need to. It's a sophisticated choice for a rider who still appreciates German engineering and values a ride that feels just right. If this bike caught your eye, you won't believe what's next on the list. At number 2, Honda Shadow RS VT750RS. The Shadow RS is Honda's standard take on the classic 750 platform, and it shows in all the right ways. Unlike the traditional low-slung cruisers that can leave your knees a bit too high and your lower back begging for mercy. After an hour, the RS adopts a more upright, Sportster-style stance. For senior riders especially, that riding position makes a noticeable difference. Less strain on the hips, a more natural reach to the bars, and better overall control at low speeds. It's the kind of bike that doesn't fight your body. It works with it. While many 750 Shadows are known for their shaft drive and laid-back personality, the RS is tuned with a bit more balance and responsiveness in mind. At 507 pounds, it's not exactly featherweight on paper, but once you're rolling, it carries its weight low and feels surprisingly nimble. Tight parking lots, slow speed maneuvers, or even a quick detour through town traffic feel manageable, not like a wrestling match. And let's be honest, at this stage, most riders prefer smooth confidence over proving something at every red light. The 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine is classic Honda, reliable, predictable, and practically bulletproof. This is the kind of engine that starts every time, idles smoothly, and doesn't ask for much in return. No drama, no surprises, just consistent performance. Paired with its low-maintenance setup, this bike is ready whenever you are. No long prep rituals, no complicated checks, just turn the key, hit the starter, and go enjoy the ride. And isn't that what it's all about? What really makes the Shadow RS stand out is how it sits right in that sweet spot. It's not a small bike that feels like a compromise, but it's also not a heavyweight machine that wears you out before the ride even begins. It feels solid, planted, and real, without ever taking control away from you. It reminds you that riding isn't about wrestling a machine anymore. It's about enjoying the road, the rhythm, and maybe even the occasional coffee stop. Because let's face it, these days the ride is just as much about the destination as it is about the journey. And hey, if you're still watching, you're clearly one of us. Go ahead and hit like, and if you're not already part of Rev and Ride, subscribe for motorcycle content made for riders who value comfort, character, and bikes that actually make sense. Number 1. Moto Guzzi 5 85TT, the Centenario choice. The V85TT takes the top spot because it is the only modern classic travel enduro that features a shaft drive in the middleweight class. It gives you the full adventure look and real capability at a wet weight of just 507 pounds, light enough to inspire confidence, but still planted enough to feel stable on long highway stretches. And let's be honest, at this stage in life, wrestling a 600-plus pound machine in a gravel parking lot isn't exactly anyone's idea of a good time. For a rider over 70 who still wants to explore gravel roads or take long camping trips, this bike is a revelation. Powered by its distinctive air-cooled transverse V-twin engine, the V85TT delivers smooth, predictable torque rather than aggressive, wrist-twisting power. That means fewer surprises and more control. Exactly what you want when you're miles away from the nearest gas station. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and comfortable ergonomics make long days in the saddle feel surprisingly easy on the back, shoulders, and knees. It's the kind of bike that lets you ride all day and still walk normally when you get off. The shaft drive is a massive advantage in the ADV world, as you don't have to worry about sand or grit eating your chain in the middle of nowhere. It's a clean, rugged system built for the long haul. No messy chain lube, no constant adjustments, just ride and enjoy. Add to that modern rider aids like multiple riding modes, traction control, cruise control, and ABS, and you've got a machine that quietly looks out for you without getting in the way. It features a beautiful TFT display that is easy to read even in direct sunlight, a small but vital detail for aging eyes, because squinting at tiny numbers at 60 miles per hour is not a skill anyone wants to master. It's a bike that proves you don't have to retire to a boring machine just because you want something lighter. Did we miss a bike that deserves a spot? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more motorcycle content, and as always, ride safe.